This is like the new Rambo movie.
Welcome to Unlikely Creators. We finally shot our first video showing us shoot 3D printed targets with bows. And it's surprising we got anything filmed with this happening.
Now we're recording! It's a little diphthong!
So yeah, that happened. Our first target starts out with PLA. And our hypothesis, which will show up here. Yeah, our hypothesis was it would be the weakest one. And yeah. All the targets are the same, and the ABS target we thought would be the second weakest. The stainless steel target we thought would have a middle strength, kinda, and the wood target we thought would have the second to strongest strength, and the carbon fiber with our logo I thought would be the strongest of all. Now, upcoming here is our shots that we made on the targets. So here's the...
Alright. Ready, Ben? Are we recording? We good? Alright. You're gonna hit by that. Oh! 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 That's what it gets! Oh! Oh! How are you gonna sing off? What? No! How are you gonna sing off? Oh! I think I missed it! Where is it? I think you missed it. Oh!
Oh, hit that target. Oh, he missed it.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. That's up. Hey, guys, I found an arrow. Let's get a close. No, that was the one he just shot. No, this is the one he just shot. Holy crap, you did it. Oh! You can hit.
He hit it.
Catnip. Catnip.
Woo!
That looks epic, actually. Here, let me hit it. That looks pretty epic. I don't think we've hit a bullseye yet. Yeah, well, past Slater's test of hitting it.
Shut up. Hold on, let's see it. So Logan printed this special one out. And this is our last one. Right here. So
all the details.
Yeah.
This is our baby.
Try and hit it right there.
All right, so let's see if we can do this.
You got it, Slater.
All right. Oh, don't screw this up for me.
You need an arrow.
Oh!
Dude! Slater. My feet are so wet. You know how wet my feet are? Yeah. You know, you take an ocean times 10. That's how wet my feet are. That, viewers, is an arrow.
Are you filming? Are you ready?
We're only 2 feet away. Richie! look how close he is. Zoom out. Look how... Do it again, Richie. He really can't hit it.
Ready?
Just get...
So yeah, Richie is a horrible shot, and we all know that now. So, upcoming here is the slow-mo shots that we took. Did you enjoy this video? Well, please leave a like and subscribe. We had a lot of fun filming this one, so I hope you enjoyed watching it. See ya.